compagnon.
Here.
Dr. Frankfurt.
Thank you.
Uriah.
Here.
Dr. Bandaj.
Thank you.
Martibusha Ray.
Do you eat many Frankfurt?
Yes, I love Frankfurt.
Don't eat Frankfurt.
This is a prescription. Take 1 spoon of syrup every day.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Goodbye and take care.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Next, please, is the other hand.
Hello. What is the problem?
My leg hurts.
Let's have a look.
Lay down here, please.
Ow.
We need the injection. Lay down, please.
Ow. My bottom.
Now I will put a bandage. Take a crutches.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Dr. Hackett, we have patient here.
What's the problem?
We have flanked in the street. Sit down, please.
Let's take a look.
Oh my God, he has a bump on his head. It hurts me a lot.
Let's put him a bandage on his head.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, doctor.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Stay at home for 2 days.
2 days?
Yes, 2 days.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Next, please. Hello, doctor. Hello. What's the matter? My baggage hit his lips and they are... let's have a look. Oh! Take this bill. Thank you. Welcome back. Come back next week. Your prescription. Thank you. Bye bye, doctor. Bye bye. Next, please, Maria. Hello, doctor. Hello. What's the matter? I got a cut in my eye.
Let's have a look.
Ow! Ow! At the cat with water.
Okay.
Ow! Ow!
You have a bandage to protect the wound.
He used a bandage here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Next is macaroni. Good morning, doctor. Good morning. What's the matter? My ducts for hold down. I can walk. Let's have a look. Lie down on the station. Nurse, nurse. Can I have some cream, please? Yes. Take this one. Thank you. And nurse, nurse. Can I have a bandage, please? Yes. Here you are. I can help you. Yes, please. It's very difficult. Ah, wow. It hurts a lot. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Take the sharp on the glasses for 1 week. Come back for 1 week. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.